Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to do a simple example of RegEx. So RegEx stands for regular expressions, which are more commonly referred to as RegEx. RegEx is used to match strings of a text such as particular characters and words. This means that we can match and extract any string pattern from the text with the help of regular expressions, RegEx. So let's get started. First of all, we've got to import the module RegEx. And now we're going to create a function, and this function is going to be called Findall. Okay, so we're going to use Findall on here. So the string, we're going to create a string here is equal to, say, this is a test. Okay, that's the name of our string. This is a test, and we're going to use this variable here called search, let's say, sentence. That's pretty clear what it's all about, and that's going to equal to RegEx dot find all. Okay, what do we want to find in the string? I want to find a particular word, so I want to find in this string is. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to type in is. Okay, and then where is? Well, is I want to find is in this string here, so I'm going to type string. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to print the output here, which will be search sentence, because I want to know if it's found it or not. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create another function which is going to be substitute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute a word in that string for a word of my choice. So first of all, let's say call it string 2. So we're going to create a new string called string 2. Let's have a look. That. Well, I'm just going to call it this just to make it easier. This is a test. Okay, same as the one above, but different. Same but different, as they say, as the old saying goes in Thailand. Same but different. Okay, so I'm going to use substitute. Substitute is equal to the regEx here dot sub. So what we're going to do, what word in this string here do I want to substitute? Well, I'm going to substitute this word. I'm going to change it. So let's have a look. This. Okay, what do I want to substitute it for or change it for? Well, I'm going to say that. So I'm going to substitute this for that. Okay, and it's in string 2. Okay, and now we're going to print the output to the user. Substitute there. And now we've got to call the functions. So I'm going to call the first one, of course, as Findall. Okay, I'm going to call the second one as substitute. Okay, so that's the second one there. Right, okay, all we have to do now is save this and let's run it. Let's see what happens. There you go. So let's have a look. The first one, this is a test. We've got to find is in the string. It says is. So it says there's 2 occurrences of is in the string here. Yeah, I can only see one. Aha, but if you look a bit further, we've got an is there and an is there. So it's found them both. Okay, we go back there. Let's go down to the next one here. This is a test. and it's replaced this with that. So now that is a test. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I hope you've liked the video. If you have liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If not, give it a big thumbs up anyway, and hit that subscribe button below. It will definitely help my channel out. It'll help me to grow, and I'll keep bringing you more and more videos. So as always, I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.